The basic of architecture visualization, especially exterior, is having a mesh you want to present and the lighting to show it. However, there is a missing part here and it's quite important: shadows, an important factor in visualization, and for that, we usually have something to mimic it between the light source and the building, so we tend to use some of the vegetation from the scene and place them in between that area to cast some cool shadows on the mesh, and that will impact the scene visuals in a quite good way, presenting the shot with more realistic look since your building is not in the desert. But those extra trees in the background can add some heavy loads on the file, like in this case. Those couple of trees added somewhat 500,000 vertices to the scene, and that's understandable since trees are usually high poly. So what are the alternatives? Well, one might think to use a different low poly kind of them, and that will work for sure. However, an easier solution here is to use a surface, a transparent one, that mimic the tree shapes, and we get that with easy steps. Using a plane, we can add a material and assign to it a transparent image like those ones. You can look them online with one of those keys. Then with the alpha channel connected, we can get the transparent working. Keep in mind this work in cycles directly, but with Eevee, you just need to check the blend mode and make it on alpha clip. And a more easier process that gets you the same result is with the use of image as plane. You can get this by enabling a default add-on with the same name, and here they are. Pressing them now will get you to choose the image you have, and it will set up the same nodes connection we made, with the fixed dimensions based on the image. So taking this back to the scene, we can place it between the light and the mesh, and transform it around with scale and rotation to get the shadows, and that's it. This but one simple trick that you can do to Blender lights. And to learn more of those, you can watch this video, and see you guys next time. Stay sharp, goodbye.